Home sales in the GTA continued strong last month as we saw another record result, this time for the month of August. Stay tuned for details.
Are you ready? Let's go!
Welcome back to Real Estate on the Lam, bringing you the latest market information, some predictions, and a few other nuggets along the way. Hi, I'm Lambros Demos from Royal LePage, and the blazing hot summer market continued as we saw a record number of homes sold for the month of August in the GTA. Let's take a look at the numbers. On this chart behind me, you can see the sales volume in the first row from January to August. As mentioned in previous videos, we got off to a hot start in 2020, and then COVID-19 reared its ugly head. The silver lining of the COVID cloud, however, was that it cooled off the real estate market as it was just about ready to take off. As it turned out, this cooling was only temporary, lasting about 2 months, because by the end of May, sales activity had picked up again and continued strong well into the summer, which traditionally is a slower time for real estate. Last month, however, we saw an increase in sales by over 40%. If the first row is demand, then the second row of the chart gives us the supply numbers. Supply also went up, but not at the same pace as sales. So this means prices also went up. As you can see in row 4, we went from an average price of $839,000 in January to $951,000 last month. That's a 13% increase. Going back 1 year, prices have skyrocketed 20%. But let's break it down a little. It is important to recognize the main drivers of this hot market are low-rise properties, such as detached and semi-detached homes. The townhouse market is also extremely hot, as we saw an increase in both sales and prices. As you can see on this chart, sales of low-rise properties increased by 50, 66, and 51% respectively, while condo apartments were pushed to the back burner with only 10.6% increase in sales volume. One of the reasons for this is the price gap between a 3-bedroom condo townhouse and a 3-bedroom condo apartment has narrowed significantly, even overlapping. So this means that most buyers in that price range are opting for a townhouse instead of a condo apartment. Another way of looking at it is through months of inventory. The lower the number, the hotter the market. As you can see on this chart behind me, how the months of inventory has done a complete reversal of where it was last summer. 1 year ago, condo apartments were all the rage, while detached homes were selling slower. Now, it's the opposite. I would be remiss if I didn't point out that semis and townhouses are currently at less than 1 month of inventory, so this is a prime selling time for those types of properties. Hopefully, the worst of the pandemic is behind us, and we can continue to see improvement in economic conditions such as monthly GDP growth and job creation. The continuation of record low borrowing costs will only ensure that people will keep buying real estate, and with more people working from home, they need more space. So this has also fueled some of the activity. I think we are now settling into a more traditional real estate cycle, and we should see a strong fall market, which is typical, and then maybe a slower winter market after that. I hope you found this information helpful. Please like and share with others, and please don't hesitate to reach out with your questions. I would love to hear from you, whether you're planning to buy or sell, or just curious about what's happening in your neighborhood. You may call, text, email, or even post a comment in the section below. I'm always here to keep you informed and provide guidance. Last but not least, if you're watching on YouTube, please hit the subscribe button, or follow me on Facebook and Instagram to get all the latest videos and market information. Thanks again for watching. Have a fantastic day, everybody, and stay safe.